My name is Simon Amos. I work for Andover Norton. I'm the buyer for the company and I also look after technical sales. We get asked about tyre pressures. Customers want to know what pressure their tyre should be. We sell Avon tyres, and the classic range, the recommendation from Avon, and I've got it here, is due to the modern materials used in the construction of classic tyres, Avon normally recommend 25 to 28 psi front and 28 to 34 psi for the rear tyre. Now, having covered thousands of miles myself on Norton Commandos, I set my tyres at 28 for the front and 32 for the rear. Now I'm going to check this tyre. It's best to do the tyres when they're cold. It's also best to do them on a weekly basis. What a significant difference is which inner tube has been fitted. The imported inner tubes, we find, often lose pressure more often than a quality tube. So it is worth buying, say, a Michelin tube, the ones that we sell. So this reading is 20, so this tyre is significantly underinflated. If you have any queries about tyre pressures or tyres in general, or indeed your Norton motorcycle, please contact us at technical@andover-norton.co.uk.